Most founders obsess over channels, ads, outbound, influencer campaigns. But today, I want to show you something different. Your product is the most scalable GTM channel you have. You just haven't activated it yet. Let's be real. Most startup GTM strategies look like this. Launch paid campaigns. Automate outbound. Post on LinkedIn. It's all external. But here's the unlock. Your most powerful growth engine is already built into your product. You just need to treat it like a channel. Think of the tools you already use. Figma spreads when someone shares a design. Notion grows when a doc gets passed around. Superhuman thrives when users show others how fast it is. These are all natural GTM signals baked into product usage. The problem? Most teams miss these moments. Users hit milestones. They share wins. But there's no follow-up, no amplification, no system to turn usage into awareness. That's the opportunity AI unlocks. Here's what modern AI-driven GTM looks like. AI detects when value is created, predicts who else should see it, auto-generates content to share, and triggers smart follow-up, all without a marketer lifting a finger. Start by training AI to recognize value moments. Maybe it's someone closing their first deal, finishing a project, or onboarding a new teammate. These are perfect prompts for distribution. Then use AI to recommend who should be pulled in. If the product sees that a user is active in sales, why not suggest inviting someone for RevOps or CS? This is how viral loops are engineered intelligently, not forced. Next, let the product do the heavy lifting. Imagine dashboards, reports, or milestones turned into beautiful pre-written updates. Ready to share via LinkedIn, email, or Slack. The user gets credit, you get exposure. Once someone sees a shared asset, don't let the trail go cold. AI can track engagement and trigger a contextual drip sequence, or an onboarding guide, or even a sales touch tailored to the role of the viewer. All automated. This is the new GTM mindset. Product isn't just the end of the funnel, it's the funnel itself. Every time a user succeeds, that success becomes a marketing moment. And with AI, we can scale those moments with almost zero friction. So here's the takeaway. Don't just build the feature, build the channel. Every time a user creates value, ask, how can that moment spread? Because the best GTM strategies today, they aren't built on ads. They're built on usage. And AI makes sure the world sees it.